Welcome to Maths Master Lokesh channel. I am Lokesh Biradar. Today I am discussing about the three most important question on the start derivative of a parametric equation. That is question number 2. If x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta and y equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, then we have to prove that dy by dx equal to tan theta by 2. To prove this formula, we know that some formulas, that is sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Next, sin theta equal to 2 sin theta divided by 2 into cos theta divided by 2. Next, 1 plus cos 2 theta ittu anta ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋದು 2 cos square theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ 1 plus cos theta ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 cos square theta by 2. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, sin 2 theta 2 theta ಎಂಗಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರ 2 sin theta into cos theta. ಅದೇ ವೇಳೆ ಫುಲ್ ಎಂಗಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ sin theta ಇದೆ 2 sin theta divided by 2 into cos theta by 2. It will be half angle. If it is full, this becomes half. Here also you observe 1 plus this one is the first formula, this one is the second formula, this one is the third formula, this one is the fourth formula. ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇವೆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನಂತ sin 2 theta ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 2 sin theta into cos theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 sin theta ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 2 sin theta divided by 2 into cos theta divided by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 plus cos 2 theta ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 2 cos square theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 plus cos theta ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 2 cos square theta by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Now you have to write the solution, then you have to write the given. What is the given point? One is x is equal to a theta plus sin theta. One more is the y equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. You have to consider this one as equation number 1, this one as the equation number 2. It is a parametric equation, derivative of a parametric equation. In terms it is a parameter is theta. We know that one ವೇಳೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಥೀಟಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ dy by dx equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx divided by d theta. You have to consider this one as equation. To make the derivative of ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರ to get dy by d theta, it is how to make the derivative y with respect to theta to get dy by d theta, and equation number 1, that is x is equal to a1 into theta plus sin theta is there, no? You have to derivate with respect to theta to get dx divided by d theta. To find these two derivative afterwards to put in equation number 3. Now you have to 1 implies x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta. Next, derivative with respect to x, that is differentiating equation number 1 with respect to theta. Then x derivative with respect to theta, it is dx divided by d theta is equal to a is constant keeping outside. Then derivative of theta with respect to theta, it is 1 plus sin theta derivative with respect to theta, it is cos theta. It can be written as dx divided by d theta equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Now you have to consider the equation number 2. You have to derivate with respect to theta. Then you have to take y. Equation number 2 implies that is y equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Next, differentiating equation number 2 with respect to theta. Differentiating equation number 2 with respect to theta. Then y derivative with respect to theta, it is dy by d theta is equal to a is a constant keeping outside. Then derivative of constant, one is the constant, then derivative of constant is 0 minus as it is. Then derivative of cos theta, it is minus sin theta. I am using bracket here because multiplication it is into minus, it is plus, it is applicable here. Then you have to observe dy by d theta is equal to a is constant, 0 minus into minus it becomes plus, 0 plus sin theta it is sin theta. Now it is dx divided by d theta equal to a into 1 plus sin 1 plus cos theta. We get one more thing, dy by d theta equal to a into sin theta. ಇವೆರಡು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. Equation number 3 implies that is dy by dx is equal to, here dy by d theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ a into sin theta ಅದ, ಅದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ dx divided by d theta ಏನಂದ್ರ a into 1 plus cos theta. ಇವೆರಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಣ. dy by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ a into sin theta whole divided by dx divided by d theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ a into 1 plus cos theta. a into 1 plus cos theta. We know that sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 plus cos theta ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus cos theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 cos square theta by 2. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಲೇಬೇಕು. ಏನು sin 2 theta ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 sin theta into cos theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ sin theta ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 sin theta divided by 2 into cos theta by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 plus cos 2 theta ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 2 cos square theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ತರ 1 plus cos theta ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 2 cos square theta by 2. ನನಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದೇನು sin theta ಒಂದು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 plus cos 2 cos theta ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now we have to substituting this formula, that is dy by dx is equal to a get cancel sin theta. By using the formula it can be done as 2 sin theta divided by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole divided by 1 plus cos theta andra 2 cos square theta divided by 2. Now you have to observe here 2 get cancel, 1 cos get cancel, remains dy by dx is equal to sin theta divided by 2 whole divided by cos theta divided by 2. It is sin theta divided by 2 and cos theta divided by 2. It is like in sin theta divided by cos theta. Then it is tan theta. Here sin theta in place of theta we have the theta divided by 2. It becomes dy by dx is equal to tan theta jagadaga ಏನದ theta divided by 2 the it becomes theta divided by 2. It is the required 3 marks. So in the next video we go for the question number 3. It is also depends on the derivative of a parametric equation.